What's good YouTube, JD here, back with yet another review for you guys. And in this video, we are going to be talking about the latest Jordan 3. In my hands, I have the Jordan 3 Fire Red Denim. What up fam? So in this video, I'm going to break down this sneaker. We are going to talk about the quality of this leather. Of course, we'll get into the inspiration behind the shoe. We'll also talk about sizing, and as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Before we get into the shoe, I wanted to start off the video by saying thank you guys so much for helping me hit 25K on the channel. Super happy with the way the channel has been doing and with this community we've kind of built on YouTube, and I really couldn't have done this without the help of you guys, so really thank you guys so much. These sneakers released in Europe all the way back on August the 8th. Europe was blessed with an early release. They will be releasing in the US and worldwide on August the 27th, so look out for that. And they will be releasing for a retail price of $200. The release date is actually really close to another Jordan 3 that just dropped, and that was the Jordan 3 in the laser orange colorway. So in this video, I'll help you decide if this is the Jordan 3 you want to be spending your money on in the next couple of weeks. So the box, we get a different box here from Jordan brand. So the left side of the sneaker is featuring that denim bluish print that you see on the shoes. Also opening up the box, the paper that comes with the shoes features that same print that you see on the shoes. So just something a little extra for all you Jordan heads out there. Getting into the shoe, it does look like a very familiar looking shoe. We've had quite a few variations of the fire red colorway on the threes. Back in 2013, we had the fire red threes, and also earlier this year, we had a much brighter version of the fire red threes drop. It actually kind of gives me a bit of Jordan 2 vibes. It's kind of similar to the Jordan 2 Chicago's. This isn't just a regular pair of Jordan 3s though. There are quite a few features about this shoe that makes it unique. Most notably, of course, is the denim material. So normally we get that elephant print on Jordan 3s. This time we have a material that is inspired by Japanese denim. There's not too much denim though. Most of the shoe is done in this white leather. The two things that I like the most with this shoe, number one is definitely the leather quality. We're getting some really nice leather on this pair. Very nice tumbled white leather. The leather also feels very soft. And the second really dope feature about the shoe, the heel. Jordan heads out there have always complained about, having Nike Air on the back or the Jumpman on the back. And this time Jordan brand was like, you know what, we'll give you guys both. We have this translucent plastic heel counter with the Jordan logo on it, and underneath you see the Nike Air logo painted. And I personally really like this design. Well, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I actually hope Jordan brand does this a lot more on future Jordan releases. By the way, very quickly, if you haven't already done so, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I am dropping content every single week, tons of shoes to review, lots of that good sneaker content. So make sure you guys are subscribed. And of course, drop a like on the video if you found this video useful, because that really helps me out as well. Alongside this pair, there was a special Japanese edition that was of course exclusive to Japan only, and the heel on that featured some Japanese text. That pair of course super exclusive, and because of that you can see the resale prices on that pair are quite high, a significant profit in pretty much any size. This general release pair, however, definitely not much resale on it. In fact, they were actually sitting here in Europe, and I'm willing to bet that the same happens in the rest of the world as well. So the general release pair is definitely not one that's worth copying for resale. I think the reason for this is a couple of things. First of all, like I mentioned earlier, there is another pair of Jordan 3s dropping this month. And second of all, I personally think this is just a really nice colorway. However, it's a very summertime colorway, and we're getting the shoe pretty much at the end of summer. So a little bit weird with the release dates on this. I feel like if this released in the beginning of the summer, it would probably be a sellout. When it comes to sizing, so for me, in some other Jordan 3s in the past, I felt like going through the size has been kind of tight, especially in the midfoot. Not with this pair, and I think a lot of that has to do with how soft this leather is. I went true to size in this and they just fit me absolutely perfect. So that is definitely my recommendation, go true to size. So are these a cop or a drop? So I personally think these look super clean on feet, especially with shorts. It's just a very nice, clean and super wearable pair of Jordan 3s. And on top of all that, I feel like we're getting some really good quality here. So we really can't complain to Jordan brand about that like we normally do. So for me, these are definitely a cop. Now, I don't know if these will sell out in the first day or the first week in the US, so just watch out for that. Let's see if maybe these might even go on sale, and then I definitely think it's a cop. So yeah, just something to keep your eyes on. These cop. If you haven't already done so, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Definitely the easiest place to contact me, and I'm dropping content all the time on there. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys so much for messing with the channel and for all the support. Once again, you guys are the best. Until next time, guys, peace.